I'm Bree Specific, and this time I'm coming to you fresh-faced with my PJs on for a day of self-care with Ciara Jibri at House Call. Welcome to another episode of Specific Sites. Here at Specific Sites, you know we have to talk about the House Call food. Ciara Jibri definitely did her thing with catering this super cute event. I was able to chop it up with the owner and private chef of Silas's Kitchen. The creator of the mini cinnamon chicken and waffles with just a shot of maple syrup complemented this mini brunch alongside the lobster mac and cheese and a very tasty fruit and yogurt parfait. Tasting these hors d'oeuvres definitely had me running back for more. You can connect with this dope chef at Silas's Kitchen on IG. My favorite part of House Call? Balm Facials by Miss Janae, a makeup artist and esthetician here in Chicago. She walked me through what she called a petite facial, using Eminence organic and all-natural skincare products. I learned so many tips on exfoliating and keeping a healthy, fresh face. Thank you, Miss Janae, for all your specifics on good skincare. House Call consisted of manicures, facials, great music by the label, and a specific panel of women who discussed the importance of self-care when it comes to family and business. Overall, the event was well needed for every millennial professional in the city. It gave us a chance to unwind, to connect, and discover ways to improve our own self-care while chasing our goals. Thank you for the House Call, Ciara. I'm glad I answered.